In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Gimp to select areas based on color and then change those areas. So I use the fuzzy select tool up here, and then I select the area that I want to change color. Now, if I want to change both of these, I'll hold down the Shift button, and then you can see the cursor changes to a plus sign, and I'll click in this area as well. Now the edges here are feathered with a certain radius. That means that it's not a hard edge, but a soft edge which looks better on the screen. So you can play with this setting up and down if you want. Now let's change the color here. So I'll use the pencil tool. I've selected a big fat brush, and I'll set the size to being really large. Normally it'll be way down here, but I'll set it really large to make it simple. And then I simply just color in the bit I want, and there we're done.